This is the second part of Catullus 8, and we are going to pick it up on line 12. He has just sort of convinced himself that he needs to be over Lesbia, and that kind of coming to his senses that she doesn't want him anymore. And so now, telling himself to stay strong, he picks up on line 12 and he says, "Goodbye, girl. Goodbye, girlfriend." Catullus is now staying strong. Catullus is now resolute. And he will nec required. He will not ask about you, look for you, and he will not ask for you unwilling. But you will grieve when you will be asked. So that ris is passive, and then the bo bis bit is future, but notice the bi in front of the ris, the ri phoneme, that I changes to an e. Nonetheless, still future. When you will be asked, no one. So this adjective is seemingly out of place, right? It doesn't really describe anything, and here it takes on basically an adverbial force. So it's describing the verb just like an adverb does. So when you will be asked, in no way, not at all. Wicked girl, wicked one, away with you, alas to you, woe is you. What a life remains for you. Who now will come to you, will approach you? To whom, and just like Rogaberus up above, Videberus, will you be seen? Or remember, video in the passive can mean seem. So to whom will you seem? Bella, beautiful. Whom now will you love? Whose, and we would assume whose girlfriend, will, and that is from the E there, the long E is the future. Whom will you be said, or maybe how about you will be called to be? Whose girlfriend, whose will you be said to be, quite literally? Whom will you kiss? And to whom, but as is common, we see that the cui here, the dative of reference, is really essentially cuius. It's a dative with this labella here. So the lip to whom, or the lips to whom, will you bite, will you nibble? So whose lips will you nibble? But you, Catullus, stubborn, determined, stay strong.